Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to disable the Web Proxy Automatic Discovery short for WPAD in your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. I show you guys how to disable the Web Proxy. You just need to go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on the network you are using it guys. In my case I am using Ethernet. Right click on it and select properties. Select the internet protocol version 4 and select properties guys, and now click on advanced. Select the wins tab and you just need to select this disable net BIOS over TCP/IP and select OK for save changes. For save changes take effect, you just need to click on OK, close it off here, and go ahead and restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, hopefully your problem solved guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.